If you guess everything, you are a real lion. Send it to your friends and test who is better. And for more, like and save the video. What kitchen appliance is used to blend ingredients or puree food? Toaster, blender, microwave, grill. Right, it's blender. Which household item is used to clean floors by sweeping? Vacuum cleaner, mop, broom, dishwasher. Right, it's broom with vacuum cleaner. What device is used to keep food cold and fresh? Oven, refrigerator, stove, blender. Right, it's refrigerator. Which of these items is used to iron clothes? Washing machine, dryer, iron, steamer. Right, it's iron. All my products can be found in my link in the bio.